Let's dive straight into the Promptimize AI review. If you've been searching for the latest AI tool that can elevate your marketing, you're in the right place. Promptimize AI has just been released, and in this video, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, especially if you're new to AI-driven marketing tools. Now, before we get into the details, you can try Promptimize AI completely free through the first link below. Trust me, it's worth checking out. Stick around to the end because I'll share my own insights on how this software can drastically improve your campaigns and digital strategy. Let's talk about what makes Promptimize AI stand out. The first thing you'll notice is how intuitive it is. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. For marketers and business owners, time is money. And Promptimize AI helps you save both by simplifying complex tasks like content creation, campaign optimization, and ad targeting. One of the most powerful features of Promptimize AI is its ability to generate high-quality copy in seconds. This is a game changer for marketers looking to scale up their content output. Instead of spending hours brainstorming headlines, copy, or ad descriptions, you can rely on Promptimize AI to provide creative and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. It's not just about writing, it's about writing for conversion. Next up, let's talk about personalization. Promptimize AI uses cutting-edge algorithms to tailor its suggestions based on your specific industry, target demographic, and campaign goals. Whether you're in e-commerce, SaaS, or any other niche, this software adapts to meet your needs, making it incredibly versatile. The best part? It learns from your input and gets smarter over time, improving its recommendations as you use it more. When it comes to automation, Promptimize AI is second to none. The platform can automate key aspects of your marketing campaigns, including A/B testing, performance tracking, and even optimizing ad spend. By doing the heavy lifting for you, it frees up your time so you can focus on scaling your business and making strategic decisions rather than micromanaging every detail. Another crucial aspect of Promptimize AI is its data-driven approach. Unlike other tools that provide generic suggestions, this software pulls insights from a vast array of sources, including social media trends, SEO data, and even competitor analysis. This means you're not just guessing what will work, you're getting actionable insights based on real-world data that can drive tangible results. But that's not all. If you're managing a team or working with clients, Promptimize AI's collaboration features will make your life easier. You can seamlessly share campaigns, monitor progress, and even leave feedback directly within the platform. This is a great feature for agencies or businesses with multiple stakeholders involved in the marketing process. Lastly, let's talk about scalability. Promptimize AI is designed to grow with you. Whether you're just starting out or running large-scale campaigns with millions of dollars in ad spend, it's flexible enough to handle any budget or campaign size. This scalability ensures that no matter where you are in your business journey, Promptimize AI can support your growth and success. So, is Promptimize AI worth your time? Absolutely. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool that can automate, optimize, and personalize your marketing efforts, it's hard to find a better option in today's AI landscape. As I mentioned earlier, you can try it out for free with the link below. And after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software options, all of which you can try for free. Check them out in the description. In summary, Promptimize AI is a powerful, intuitive, and highly scalable tool for marketers who want to get ahead of the competition. With features like personalized content creation, automation, and data-driven insights, it's quickly becoming a must-have for anyone serious about their digital marketing efforts. Give it a try today and see for yourself how Promptimize AI can transform your business.